What's the meaning of bro? Bro. Bro.
Bro. Bro. The term bro is a slang word commonly used to refer to a male friend or acquaintance. It is an informal way of addressing someone and is often used as a term of endearment. The use of the term has evolved over time and can now also be used as a gender-neutral term to refer to anyone, regardless of their gender identity. It is a widely recognized term in popular culture and has been used in various forms of media. Overall, the term bro represents a casual and friendly way of addressing another person.